Chandre, Department of Commerce, Navgan Education Societies, Arts Commerce College, Paradi Vijayana, Maharashtra. Today, I am going to discuss on goods and service tax. One presentation I gave on taxation of powers. Some taxation powers has centers: income tax, excise duty, custom duty, service tax, center sales tax, rates of stamp duty. These are tax collected by the central government. But today's now one nation, one tax system followed by the central government. Some drawbacks in the current systems: confusion, mistrust, complex and lacking stability, high transaction cost, narrow base. Here, many tax present condition of traders, but in GST is very integrity and similarity. GST is a unification of taxes. A GST classically entails uniform of all levies on goods and services. In the Indian context, this would mean margin the following: tax on manufacturing of goods, excise duty levied by the center; tax on sale of goods, CST, VAT levied by both centers and GST worldwide. We think about that. In most countries of the world, single VAT system which covers both goods and services. All sectors are taxed with very few exemptions. Full tax credit on inputs 100% set up. GST, no taxes paid by you. We all, why do we need GST today? In Indian economy, the service sector contributes over 55%. Separate taxation of goods and services is neither valuable nor desirable. Value-added manufacture sale of goods recoveries. GST in India reality, the stage look all set for the introduction of unified goods and service tax from 2010. The Import Committee of State Finance Minister has proposed a dual GST both at central and state level. How GST work in India today? The dealers registered under GST, manufacturers, wholesaler, retailers, service providers will charge GST on the price of goods and service tax. GST, what all it includes here: a sale or supply includes our sale of goods, lease of premises, hire of equipment, giving advice, export of goods and supply of other things. A purchase includes an acquisition of goods or services such as a trading stock, lease, consumer taxes. Rates worldwide, we have seen, we can see here: China 17%, Indonesia 10%, Philippines 10%, Taiwan 5%, United Kingdom 17%, Australia 10%, France 19.6%, Germany 16%, and Denmark is 25% rate of GST. Taxes proposed to be submitted in GST. Here, central taxes: excise duty, additional excise duty, service tax, surcharge. State under the state taxes, VAT, entertainment tax levied by state, luxury tax, tax on lottery, entry tax other than for local. Here, key features of the GST. Last point: central GST and state GST. Destination based state GST, common base, uniform classification, uniform forms, return, challans, etc., etc., tax levied. In this way, we tried to clear the concept of GST in India. Thank you.